Okay, hey, I told you we'd do an update on this little Ranger. We got our little Kubota in it, and we've got the boost gauge all hooked up right, and we're gonna, we got a couple things left to do to be totally finished, but we're all but done. We're gonna do a little shakedown run and show you the boost we're running and how fast it'll go, and talk about maybe what I like and don't like. So let's get going. Alright, we're out on a country road here where we live. First gear's pretty short. This thing's got 373 gears. I thought I would change it out, but with the high gear ratio in this transmission, it actually seems pretty good. And I'm probably going to run it for a while, see what I like. Let's go down for a turn here. It's really not very bad. It's like driving a, you know, four-cylinder gas truck. That's third gear. It's all the way until it hits the governor. That's fourth gear. I'm on the floor. I'm already doing 57 mile an hour, 60. Fifth gear. There's 65. We're still climbing. It pulls pretty good for what it is. Let's put on the floor. 75 mile an hour. I gotta let out because we're going up on traffic a little bit here. But it might run 80, 85. So the gear change might be in order down the road, but for right now we're gonna try it and see how it does. It cruises real good. At 60, 65, even 70, no problem. We're cruising along here about 8th throttle, 60 miles an hour. Okay, to recap on this little Kubota Ranger, we've got a V2203 IDI indirect injected engine in here. It's got 373 gears and a 5-speed from a 3-liter V6. The boost, we're making about 12 to 13 pounds of boost. It's got a turbo off of a 1.8 liter Passat gas engine. It spools very fast. It does well. It's got enough power. Direct injected engine would probably do better, but this is what I had, and I'm not dissatisfied with it. The rear end, like I said, has a 373, and someday I may update to a 323 gear, maybe even a 3.0 gear. But for right now, it's actually doable and not bad. So it runs good. We're pretty happy with it. In later videos, we're going to put the AC back in it and get it all working. And you can check my earlier videos for any information you need on the build. So good luck, and I hope this works out for you.